Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you all how to make beautiful woolen flower with wool and hair comb. First thing to do here is to count out 8 teeth from the comb and then wrap around on it wool for 10 lines or 10 times. Then tie to secure. Attach needle at the extension of the wool and use that to wrap around the middle of the woolen design already on the comb for 2 times. Then attach 1 pearl right there. Then move to one end, sew and secure. Move to the other end also, then sew and secure. Pull the woolen design out from the comb, then fold in half, sew to secure. When you are done with that one piece, make them 6 pieces and join them together to make beautiful woolen flower. Please guys, if you have watched up to this point, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Thank you. Attach a medium-sized pearl right at the center of the woolen flower to make it seamless and beautiful. I believe you all will find this tutorial very easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll surely see you all in my next video. Bye.